For this project you'll need 8 feet or about 2.5 meters of leather cord, a rock, my example is 3 inches or about 7.5 centimeters in diameter, a lacing fid, and small side cutters. Starting with the back side of your rock, place one end of your leather cord top down across the rock's spine. Be sure to let some of the cord end dangle off the bottom. Hold the back cord in place and turn the rock around so that its front side faces you. Firmly pull the working end down at an angle across the rock's face, parallel across the rock's middle back, down at an angle across the rock's face again, parallel across the rock's lower back, and up at an angle across both lines above. At this point, pull the working end parallel across the rock's upper back and repeat the same procedure, overlapping lines of cord until the desired amount of rock face is covered. Carefully turn the rock around. All cord lines in the back should be parallel to one another, and the dangling cord behind the rock should be covered by the middle and bottom lines of cord. To lock the tie, use your fid to tuck the left cord end under the rock's top lines of cord. Then, insert the left cord end into the crook of the L-shaped turn above, generating a half hitch. Repeat the same procedure in reverse for the right cord end. Now, remove your fid and open the bight of the right cord end. Then, insert the left cord end through the crook of the open bight. Repeat the same procedure in reverse for the other side. Then, insert the cord end on the right, down, and under the last line of cord below. Repeat the same procedure in reverse for the other side. Adjust the finishing knot so that it is firm and tight, and all the cords are flat and parallel to one another. Use your fid to open a gap through the middle of the top lines of cord, with the exception of the first and last lines of cord in your bundle. Then, slide the cord end on the left and right through the gap created. To complete the piece, remove your fid. Then use your side cutters to snip the top and bottom cord ends. Press the finishing knot flat to assure all cord ends are firmly in place.